Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Prevention. Avoid headache triggers. Keeping a headache diary can help you determine what triggers your headaches so that you can avoid the triggers. Avoid medication overuse. Get enough sleep. Don't skip meals. Exercise regularly. Reduce stress. Reduce caffeine.
Let's help you make your mark.
Tea and decaf coffee may reduce inflammation, while juices, milk, and green smoothies can deliver essential nutrients that may reduce migraine episodes. Migraine triggers vary from person to person, and it's important to avoid any ingredients that may worsen your symptoms.
Let's help you make your mark.
Improve your sleep. Don't nap during the day. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, and large meals close to bedtime. If you can't sleep, get out of bed. Keep your phone, tablet, or laptop out of the bed. Get up and go to bed at the same times each day.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Amen. Nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory medications, NSAIDs, are more powerful compared to acetaminophen because NSAIDs reduce inflammation. Examples of NSAIDs include Motrin, Aleve or Advil. I tend to prefer Aleve, naproxen.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The average tension headache, the most common type of headache, lasts about 4 hours. But for some people, severe headaches drag on much longer, sometimes for several days. And these never-ending headaches can even cause anxiety.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.